Hi, I'm Cece. CrownCAD allows you to quickly share files via links or QR codes. For example, to share the currently open assembly file, simply return to the folder view, right-click the file, and choose to share it with individuals, teams, or via a link. When sharing via link, you can set a validity period, such as 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, or permanent. Files shared via link are in view-only mode by default. After clicking Create, a shareable link and QR code will be generated for easy access. You can copy the generated link and open it in another browser to access the file in view-only mode. Within the shared assembly file, you can perform various operations, such as using the section tool to inspect internal details, measuring dimensions, calculating mass, viewing the bounding box, and checking for interferences between components. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.